Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading for mid of July and you will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, now so let's start with my Virgos readings for mid of July, please. Okay, so I can see that you are in a mode. The core situation is a very, you are in that place where you are happy, you are with your family, giving your love, your care to everyone. But the reason, the issue is coming, which is coming over here, is the Knight of Pentacles. That person or that thing which is not actually giving you back. Basically, you have a lot to give. You are the nurturer, you are the person who gives, who heals people, who give everything to the person who needs the love. But it's more of a situation, it's basically it might be a delay for some situation, for some people, that you are in a mode where you are feeling like an empress, like a person who can do wonders in the world, but you are not able to do that because of the Knight of Pentacles. So for a very few of you, this is that you want some things, but time is not actually helping you. Time is not there with you for this time. That is why you are a bit of that you are positive, but I can see that you are still positive. If time is not with you, you are staying positive, you are moving on. Yes, so I can see with the Nine of Wands, there are some kind of blockages in front of you. There are many things, more than blockages, there are options in front of you. You have a lot to do, a lot of things are there in your mind, but you are not able to do because of this blockage. See, you are not able to do that. You want to do the blockages. The time is also a blockage for you right now. So that is what is maybe because of this lockdown period, you are not able to move where you want to go. And I can see that you are into some kind of a partnership, you are into some kind of collaboration, but it might need you to travel to that place, but because of all the shutdown and everything, you are not able to travel as well. But there are things in your mind you are going through and you want some things, the situation, whatever, because this thing has a lot of positivity in this. I can see that you are very positive towards this thing. The things which are not visible to you is actually the victory. You are going to achieve success in your life, but it is hidden. You don't know that because it will come at its own time. It will not tell you and then come. Okay, so you are being a little of a little negative at that point. I can see that you are feeling that I will not be victorious, I will not achieve success because I'm just stucking over here. I'm not doing anything, I'm not moving. And but you are thinking, but you sun with the sun. Wow. You know that might be children involved in the situation. You know that this is a place where you are happy. You know that from your because on the surface it's like I have to be here, I have to be here, and you are not leaving the place because with the two suns and the Eight of Cups, I can see the sun is more over this leaving energy. So you are not leaving the situation, you are standing there, you are fighting, but you are still a little sometimes like what to do. There is, your mind is not working sometimes because of the things you are going through. You are just leaving a place, you are leaving the energy where you were stuck behind. You were stuck. I can see you were, for some people might be stuck at home, might be stuck at your place where you know, basically a kind of laziness. I can see you are leaving that energy, but some people, you were not able to decide something because you were feeling that I am stuck here, I am not able to move. I have, might be for some people it is also a message that you are thinking, you are thinking deep about a situation, so that is why you were being lazy. You took a time for yourself, so it might be that as well. But yeah, the energy which you are moving towards is a celebration energy. You are meeting someone whom you love, meeting someone or something, going might be a new job opportunity, might be a family getting together, getting back together, partying with your friends. So you are in that mode, you are entering, because you are leaving the mode where you were feeling that I am stuck, but I'm seeing you that you are entering in the mode, the gates are opening for you, and something is ending over here which I see. There is might be for some people you are entering, see. Okay, so there's a one more message which is coming towards me. It's like you want to achieve many things in your life, but sometimes your love life, your love, uh, you know, they do not let you to do what you want to do. So that's why when you choose your passion towards anything, you leave the love because of your own happiness. So I can see that you are into that mode, you are entering into the mode where you want to look good, you want to be, um, I have a lot of work in my life, I have to pay my bills, I have to see my children work, I want to see myself doing something to achieve something. I cannot just be with those kind of people who are actually happy for me from outside, but from inside they are still being a little sneaky. I cannot be with those people. So you know that who are those people, because there is something which is hidden from you. You know that, and I think that is coming towards the surface because you have decided the thing. Yes. So the moon with the strength, the thing, whichever the person who was being, you know, the hidden person who was being sneaky, I see that this person, the real intentions are coming towards, and you are, the time is changing. Whatever was not on your side before is coming towards your side. So the time, the wheel of fortune, the wheel of luck is coming towards your side. And with the guidance card as the Chariot, the Magician, and Ace of Pentacles, this itself means that you have taken the charge of your life. I can see over here, you are moving towards, see how this magician has taken the charge of his life. He is doing something, but you know, the magician is all by himself. If you want to achieve something, you have to do it yourself. That is what the magician is all about, and I can see that you are moving forward. So you took a charge, you took a decision, you decided something, and you decided for a new beginning for yourself. I am seeing that you are, might be a love relationship as well, but I am seeing that you are finding happiness more for you over here. You are finding that kind of fulfillment in your life, that I don't need people to make me happy. It's me who will make myself happy. So that is that energy. You are moving towards on your own. This is on your own, taking an action on your own for your happiness. So that is what I can see. This is a very beautiful message, Virgos. I can see you are actually coming towards the surface. You know, you are basically, people are there who manipulates you, who tell you what to do, but you are like, no, I'm going to take the charge of my life now. You are no one to tell me what to do, I will tell you what to do. Okay, all right. So Wow. So the outcome is the King of Swords, King of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. I don't see love over here with the King of Cups. I see an intellectual person who know how to take a charge of his life, and a person who is very wealthy with the King of Pentacles, who is stable, who is concerned, who does not just accept the bullshit of people. And with the High Priestess, it's like the time is actually, it's a little crawling, it might be crawling right now with the Knight of Pentacles, because time is not with you right now. I can see that, but it is coming towards you. It will take time, a little time is there, delays are there, but the final destination is what you want, what you have planned. That is what is coming towards you. Alright, so that's all from my side, Virgos. I really hope you liked the reading. If you really liked it, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.